All right, guys, today we are going to be talking about and installing the IAG tailgate table with cutting board. Look at this thing. It's awesome. Let's go. All right, here what comes in the box. You got your table. You've got your instructions. You can scan in and get instructions. You've got your hardware bags, and you've got your plates. So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and try to get this installed. All right, the trick is we have to take out this plate first. It's accessory ready. So I have to pull this out from the bottom. Little clips here. Pops out like that. Okay, first we're going to put in these T screws. And I guess we hand tighten them. Go in just like that at a 90-degree angle. And the left ones go to the far right. Oh, come on. Tighten them. Now we're going to add these larger bolts. I don't know if you can see it on the bottom. For this, I'm just going to tighten this down to the far right, this way. Okay. And this one, you're going to go this way. You're going to go to the left. And get it tight. Okay. Comes with these. Go ahead and use them. Open that. Oh yeah, get that tight. The next step, you're going to figure out what color badging you're going to use, and you're going to mount it here. I'm going with red. I'm getting this started. And it looks good. Ink. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. 1, 2, 3. This installs so easy so far. They give you a lot of screws, and I'm wondering what the heck. Maybe they think you're going to need extra, but really you only need 4, my I see. And then you're just going to tighten it up with a 2.5 Allen wrench. All right. That's good. Then we're going to open this up. This is a cool bottle opener. Make sure that attaches. That attaches. We're going to place those in the spots where we mounted our bolts. It goes like this. That's it. These go here. Let's get one started. Washers. Should fit on pretty easy. Up and on. Next one. Next one. Oops. That's it. It's that easy. It's probably one of the most easy installs that I've done where you don't have to drill anything. Goodness, this is so freaking easy. Just tighten everything up. Okay, this literally took me 10 minutes. I knew what I was doing. And they give you pretty much all the tools that you need. Wow. All right, let me see if I can get a function on this thing. All right, let's see what it looks like. All right, so apparently, let's see if we can get the table out. This is what's I like. Got this. Oh, it's a sliding table. Cool. Okay. Look at this. Oop. Locks in. Oop. Come on, baby. Lock in. Look at this. Oh. Wow. Cut. This is so nice. That is nice. And as you can see, look at this. It has places to put your cups, but I have a GSI Pinnacle stove that's going to fit right here. It's going to work great. Run the hose right back to the propane, and it's like wind guards on it. It's nice and gives you open room to cook. And I think, let's see if we can put this back together. Right? Put it back like that. Lift it up. Oh, it's got Molly panels on the bottom. I know exactly what I'm going to put here. Wow. That's awesome. All right, guys, that's a wrap for the IAG tailgate table with the cutting board attached to it. Again, I really like this. It was super easy to put together. Again, I'm not sponsored in any way. I bought all this equipment with my own money, and just going to be putting it to test. One thing that I did find out though, that it did rattle a little bit, so make sure when you get it out of the box, you make sure all the bolts are tightened. And then I added 2 little sponges, sticky foam right here, and that stopped the rattling and that fixed it. So all is good. I'm looking forward to be using this on the trail. And if you haven't checked it out, I can recommend go check them out, and I hope you go find an adventure and check them out on the trail. All right, hope to see you guys soon. Peace.